Hello, this is Gene Skaggs. I'm in Nashville, Tennessee. I'm a certified Quantum Touch Level 2 instructor. Today we're going to focus on Parkinson's disease. In Parkinson's disease, the most simplistic definition would be any involuntary movement that you can't control voluntarily is considered Parkinson's disease. Most people associate Parkinson's disease with shaking of the hands. I actually, and I'm not saying medical science will do this, but I actually look at restless leg syndrome as Parkinson's disease because you can't control that. Or someone who has inner ear problems where, their head turns and they can't control it. And I'm not saying that's the medical definition. So in quantum touch and in energy modalities, we don't make any comments. If you go to a doctor, that's between you and your doctor. I'm simply gonna look at this from an energetic perspective. The number one place I would work on would be the basal ganglia. And the basal ganglia controls the neurotransmitter dopamine. And when the dopamine is, out of balance, then this is when Parkinson's occurs. Now they have done some studies. This neuroscientist is talking about epigenetics. Epi means above, and genetics is your genes. And what they found was that you can influence your body, influence other things, but this is a key part to it, a key component. That what they did is they hooked him up, this neuroscientist, with an EEG machine, and he was going to demonstrate to his colleagues that he could look at a plant, and they hooked a plant up to a machine. I don't know what type of machine, it didn't mention, but they hooked a plant up to a machine, and he was going to think bad thoughts about it, wanted to die and all these other things, and show how it would affect the machine. So he sit there and he was thinking, that plant's no good, it should die, and all that, and plant didn't change. And so he started getting fearful. He said, I'm going to be a failure to my colleagues, and they're going to think I'm a fool and all this other stuff. So he says, I'm going to kill that plant. He says, I'm going to get up and I'm going to pull it out of the pot and throw it. The minute he thought about that and took action, the plant went crazy. So the conclusion that they come up with is that you need to do these things, your thoughts and everything, but you have to take action. Action is like the ignition, it starts it up. So you want to take some type of action. It could be taking a walk more, it could be focused more, it could meditation, anything. You need to do something that's in alignment with your goal. So another place you want to work on would be the parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and repair part. Also, when you have Parkinson's disease, you kill nerve cells. And nerve cells are manufactured, they're actually proven this, in the hippocampus. It grows new nerve cells. And another biggie that you would want to work on is what's called the corpus callosum, which is right there in back of the brain, right there, and it unifies the right and left hemispheres to get things to work in unison. And that's what we're trying to do, because when you have Parkinson's disease, things have separated. Okay, I have had wonderful results with Parkinson's disease, and I'm looking at it again, not only the hands but the feet, and someone can't control their movement in their face. So anyways, I have my contact information there. Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button, and looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you.